Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss about static variable. So what is static variable? The variable whose value is not varied from object to object, then such type of variable are declared as static variable. In static variable, only one copy is created and that copy is shared by all the objects. So what are the various places where I can declare the static variable? So there are basically four different places where I can declare the static variable. First is within the class directly, but from outside of any method, that is outside of constructor as well, and outside of any method, that is at the starting of class only. So here that is a is equal to, for example, abc I here declared. So this is a static variable. Then another method is to define static variable is inside a constructor. So I just define here one constructor and inside the constructor, but by using the class name. So I just have to mention first class name and then dot a, that is various static variable, and inside it print some value of variable. Then another method, that is third method to declare any static variable, is inside instant method. Suppose I write here any instant method, and inside the instant method I declare the static variable, but also by using class name only. So this is a third way to define a static variable. Then the final, that is fourth method to define a static variable, is outside of class, but also by using the class name only. So I just here write student dot a is equal to, suppose I write here Jasprit. And now if I want to access this static variable, so I just discuss here four different ways to declare static variable. This is first, outside of any method, that is starting of class on at the start of class only. This is first way to define static variable. Then another method is inside a constructor by using class name. Then another method is inside a method by using class name, and last one is outside of method by using class name. But if I want to access a static variable, then how can I? So within the class we can access by using class name, and outside of class, if you want to access a static variable, then we can access by using class name only. So I just want to print here the some value of a static variable, I guess. So I just print here variable here. So here I am going to access the static variable outside of class. So here just the accessing of static variable happen, that is my name is Justin will print. So here it access the latest value of variable a, that is Jasprit. Though I defined four different values to a static variable a, but line by line coding execution will be happen in Python. That's why it just print and give me the output the of latest value, that is Jasprit. So this is how we can access the static variable outside of class. Then if you want to delete the static variable, and then how can we delete it? So I just unprint it, and if I want to delete, then I just delete by using again the class name only, and this is the way to delete the static variable outside of class. Inside a class also by using class name, outside of class if you want to delete, then again by using class name only. Now if I want to modify the value of static variable, then within the class or outside of class we just modify by using class name only. For example, I just modify here the value of class name here. Now I just modify here, in place of just print I write A B D, and I just print the del, and now I want to print the name of a student. The name of student now is ABD. So this is the way to define a static variable, then how to access the static variable, how to delete the static variable, and how to modify the static variable by using the class name only. So this is all about the static variable. I hope you enjoy this. Thank you.